Hello everyone, welcome to Train, where we make AI simple for you. My name is Kieran and I'll be your instructor for today. In today's episode, we're going to give you a quick update on some headlines we think are notable in the AI space. A lot is happening every day and we know it may be hard to stay up to date with everything going on. So let's get right into it. Microsoft unveiled ARM-powered Surface PCs during Microsoft Build 2024, which displays that the giant company is moving towards AI being integrated across Windows products with new copilots involving generative capabilities without the use of the cloud. Microsoft has also launched Phi 3 Silica, which is a language model designed for Copilot Plus PC's neural processing units. Phi 3 Silica displays lightning-fast performance with 3.3 billion parameters while only using 1.5 watts of power while also running at 650 tokens per second. We're going to make a full video on this in the coming weeks because Microsoft is aiming to revolutionize tech and increase productivity. Now, in the finance world, JP Morgan and other banking companies are now training every new employee on AI capabilities, which may not seem like a big deal. But when you dive deep into this concept, it is amazing to think that every employee will now be taught AI regardless of the industry and your college major of choice. Next, OpenAI has agreed on a $250 million deal with News Corp to use their archived and current articles for AI training purposes, which allows the company to avoid any legal repercussions that were experienced with the New York Times in the past. Lastly, CEO Elon Musk says he can see a future where artificial intelligence could revolutionize the job market while potentially reshaping the concept of work as we know it. With that being said, that is why we think it is important for everyone to really try to stay up to date with what is going on and grow an interest to learn about artificial intelligence. At the end of the day, it is here to stay, and those who learn how to optimize it will be much ahead than those who don't. With that being said, we hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you next time.